Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin now by preparing the notebook environment, open a new Colab file, and keep the runtime as Python. Next, run the install cell to add R and RPY2. This gives Colab an R interpreter you can call. Once done, load the RPY2 IPython extension so R magic is available. This lets you write R directly in cells. I'll explain why. RPY2 manages communication between Python's kernel and R, keeping results seamless and reproducible. Now run R code inline. Load the RPY2 extension, then start a cell with %% to execute R commands. You can install R packages inside a shell cell if the package needs system libs. Do that first. For data exchange, convert Pandas data frames to R with RPY2 conversion helpers or export CSV and read in R. Make sure types match. Once you execute, outputs, plots, and objects appear in the cell output. This keeps the workflow interactive and fast. To finish, save important R objects to files, RDS or CSV, so your work persists, then download or push to drive. If you installed packages, restart the runtime to load them cleanly, and then rerun the R cells. If something fails, inspect the error. Missing system libs or version mismatches are the most common issues, so install the system dependency or match package versions. If errors persist, restart the runtime and rerun the setup cells to reset the environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.